What motivated you to pursue the PMP?
All right, so this is actually a fun one. So while I was actually still in the Marine Corps, I was a trainer out at 29 Palms. My wife decided to get her PMP, and while she was going through the whole studying process, I I was doing the good husband duties, and I was reviewing the material with their Inquisitor off the flashcards. And as I'm doing it, I'm like, I do this type of stuff. I'm like this correlates to the Marine Corps planning process. This correlates to a lot of stuff I do. And in turn, I was able to help incorporate some of what I learned from her into it. But flash forward a couple of more years when I was on my way getting, trying to figure out what I was going to do when I grow up, getting retired from the Marine Corps, reevaluate what do I want to do, what careers want to go into. And I did a disc analysis. And the person kind of told me, they're like, if you seem to be like a person who likes to work with people and solve problems. I was like, yeah, that sounds like me. They're like, have you ever thought about project management? And automatically, I thought about my wife, all those terrible evenings studying for the PMP, and I'm like, that sounds terrible. But I decided to go with it. Started with the CSM course, and it just clicked. And I'm like, yeah, this is what I've been doing for years. And got the PMP, and then here we are today.